Did you know that sometimes the person you trust most is planning your destruction? As Ty's rescue team broke through the prison walls, they found something horrifying. Dreeth wasn't just holding Amy prisoner, he was using her and other half-elves in a dark blood ritual, stealing their magic to create an army of superpowered dark elf soldiers. But that wasn't even his real plan. Jarweeth never wanted to serve Lord Riptor. He needed the captured half-elves for something much worse. Amy wasn't just another prisoner. She was the final piece Jarweeth needed to become a godlike ruler by absorbing all their concentrated magic. Then came the shocking truth. Jarweeth had planned everything from the beginning. He knew Ty would come to rescue Amy. He wanted Ty there because Ty had the most powerful half-elf bloodline of all. As Amy lay weak and broken, she whispered a warning to her brother. "It's all a trap," she said. Now Ty faced an impossible choice. Save his sister, or stop Jarweeth from enslaving both human and elf kingdoms forever.